How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over a multicolor setup using our GranDirect Control Box. So for example here, I'll be using our MultiColor K-Force Micro 21 linear mini light bar here, and our MultiColor Virtue 8 traffic advisor, paired with our MultiColor Z12 surface mounts. So on the Grand side of your GranDirect, you'll activate your mini light bar. So I have my power button, and then I have my pattern changer here, so I can cycle to a pattern I'd like. And then this unit does have memory recall, so you can shut your unit off and back on, and it'll remember the last pattern it was on. And this is a multicolor unit, so you'll notice your unit is flashing back and forth between its primary and secondary colors. Or you can run your unit in your primary or secondary colors individually by using the built-in flash patterns. And then down here, you have your TD button, which will activate your two alley lights here. Now you'll notice those will go steady burn, the secondary color ordered of your light bar. Or we also offer a clear upgrade here to where when you activate those lights, they will go steady burn clear. And then additionally down here, you have your aux button, and that will activate any extra lights that you may have hooked up to your aux line. Now for example here, I have my MultiColor Z12 surface mounts. Now moving over here to my direct side, I have my power button, which will activate my traffic advisor in warning mode. And then I have my pattern changer here. So again, I can cycle to a pattern I'd like. And then this unit does have memory recall, so you can shut your light bar off and back on, and it'll remember the last pattern it was on. Now for example here, I brought a red, blue, amber color setup in multicolor. Now we do offer any color in amber, red, blue, green, and clear for any application. So you'll see you're in warning mode there, and then additionally on your traffic advisor, you have your center out, your right left, and your left right functions there as well. So we'll let it do a sweep there, and you'll notice it'll sweep in its primary and then its secondary color in all of your traffic advising modes. And then you have multiple patterns that you can choose from in your traffic advisor. So if you hit your pattern button while you're in traffic advising mode, you'll see that you'll have a few different traffic advising features there. And then you have your slow and fast function as well, so you can set your unit however you'd like. And again, you can hit your power button and hit it back on, and it'll remember what mode it was last on. And then you have your aux button here, where I have my MultiColor Z12s hooked up there as well. So this would be a perfect example for a setup where you have your mini light bar activated off of your Grand side with your Z surface mounts, and say you had those on your front license plate on a license plate bracket, and then you have your traffic advisor power and your rear lights where you could put your Z surface mounts on the back of your vehicle on another license plate bracket, and you activate those lights from this side of your switch box. So this is a perfect setup using our GranDirect control with a multicolor setup. And again, I'm using my MultiColor K-Force Micro 21, my MultiColor Virtue 8, and my MultiColor Z12 surface mounts. So hopefully that gives you a good idea of the possibilities you can do with our GranDirect control box. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.